So this is the original picture, and this is the one that has been watermarked by ChatGPT. Now, you might be thinking, well, isn't that easy to add a watermark into a picture using ChatGPT? After all, you can just navigate to ChatGPT and then you can upload the photo, and then with some prompting, you can tell ChatGPT to add some watermark into the picture and basically just enable the image generation. Well, you can do that, but that's actually a bad idea because first, it is very slow, and secondly, which is a very big problem, image generation in ChatGPT will definitely change some other details in the picture. So this is what the picture looked like that was regenerated by the image generation model in ChatGPT. It looked kind of the same, but not the same anymore. So again, this is what the image generation looked like, and this is the original picture. This is the proper way to watermark pictures using ChatGPT. As you can see, it is still maintaining the same details. Everything, even down to the last pixel, looks the same, except now it has the watermark. So you definitely want to achieve this result when watermarking pictures using ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how you can do it using ChatGPT. And of course, you can follow this trick to actually watermark multiple pictures together. So here's how you can do it. I'm going to open ChatGPT and let's start a new chat. And for this example, I have these different pictures. Okay, these some pictures I got randomly from the internet, and now they are clean. There is no watermark whatsoever, but I'm going to add some watermark to these pictures. Now let's open ChatGPT again, and I'm going to just drag and drop those pictures right here. And now there is one prompt that you can use, and you can find the prompt in the description down below. So I'm going to copy this. Let's paste that into ChatGPT, and basically we want to use a Python feature in ChatGPT, and we don't want to use the AI image generation because again, it might change and it will change the details of the picture. So we don't want to do that. Now here, for the model, you can use GPT, well, any GPT version that is available when you're watching this video. Right now, I have access to GPT 5.1, and that should be enough. It should know that this process will require some coding, and it will choose the appropriate model automatically. But feel free to use any model that you have on your account. Now here, you don't have to enable create image. In fact, don't do that because we don't want to use the model. Just send a message and let ChatGPT generate some Python code to apply watermark into the picture. Okay, I forgot to mention that you can specify the watermark right here. So this is the text. You can replace that with maybe your name, or maybe the company name, or some other watermark that might be relevant to the content. And after that, ChatGPT will do the coding, and it will generate some direct download links for each of these pictures that you provided to ChatGPT. So it is still doing the code, and it might take about 1 or 2 minutes, and I guess I'll just skip over and show you the final result. All right, so it's done, and if you scroll down, you'll see at least one or multiple download links depending on how many pictures that you provided. And by the way, ChatGPT support up to 10 images per upload per message if you're using the paid version. But if you're using the free version, I think the limit is okay, actually the limit is the same. It's still 10 files per message. Anyway, I'm going to download each of these pictures. So just click download, download again, and download again. Now I'm going to open every single picture. Okay, as you can see, it is the same person, the same details, except now we have the watermark, and definitely it looks cleaner than using the image generation. So yeah, this is actually a great way to apply watermark using ChatGPT. It is more accurate, it is more precise, it is maintaining all the details, and also you can use this method to watermark up to 10 images per message, which will save you quite a bit of time. And again, the full prompt is going to be available in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.